Benefits of auditing. When you doing auditing by chartered accountant, many benefits you take, but you're not auditing by chartered accountant and just you assume whatever accounts maintaining by me or my other staff, all the accounts are showing fact. No problem in my account book. But when you doing audit by auditor with chartered accountant, then after you will take another benefits. अब और benefits मिल सकते हैं. So let's discuss which are the benefits we will take if we done audit of our accounts. The first benefit of auditing is it in the correctness of accounts. You can check out, you can assume, you can judge. You means owner. Owner may be sole proprietor, owner may be partnership firm, or maybe private or public company. Those all owner may be correctness of account, and they assume no problem or no false in my account if it's happening of auditing. An auditor will check all the accounts and present report in the front of owner. Any problems or not in accounts. So first one is ascertain the correctness of accounts. And owner also secure. Owner also, we audited our account, and whatever false and problems in accounts, any errors, it will be shown by auditor in front of us. And on that point, owner maybe take any action against any responsible persons. Second point, find out and stop error and frauds. Yes, sometimes we thinking whatever account maintained by our accountant, our employees, and no problems in our maintained account. But some employees, some accountant, and some wrong person may be doing some fraud in the accounts. Maybe they misappropriate. Maybe some arise errors by accountant, because accountant also a human person. Maybe arise some error by human. So you can find out that errors and fraud, and sometimes we also not judge some errors or fraud in the accounts present or not, because we have no idea. And sometimes it's maybe happen, owner can just bring the capital for a business, and they just they have no idea about accounting. So in this situation, whatever maintained books of account, it's a right or wrong, it's error free. How can owner will judge by way of auditing of account? When owner will audit the account, auditor will find out if present the books of account any error or frauds. Auditor will find out. Third point, moral check on the employees. Moral check on the employee means whatever responsibility given by company or firm to employee, they fulfill in a time or not. Means accounting staff, some employees connected with accounting work, they must do their work in a time period. They complete the entry within a time period. They maintain the vouchers book, document file, evidence file in a time period. But if employee, those who connected with the accounting work, and they have an idea, our company not call the auditor for auditing work up to all the 12 months. Our company just auditor call for auditing work end of the year, means after 12 months. So why should we maintain, why should we take more tension to prepare account, to prepare accounting books, to prepare document file, to prepare voucher file, to prepare evidence file? So that's why the employee who connected with the accounting work, they have an idea. Our owner is not called to auditor up to 12 months. Means owner will be called to auditor after 12 months. So up to 12 months, employee, those connected with the accounting work, they doing lazy work. Means they not maintain all the accounting work and files in a proper way. But owner call to auditor in a time to time, means after 2 months, after 3 months, after 5 months. It means employee, those connected with the accounting work, they must prepared, they must ready with the all the files, all the accounting books, with the all the up to end entries in account book. They must ready. Why they should be ready? Because when auditor will come at the office, auditor just ask to employee, those connected with the accounting work, where is the accounting file, where is the accounting book, where is the evidence file? They just ask, they just explanation from the employee. And in this situation, if employees say no sir, we are not ready, those all the required documents and books for auditing work, in this situation auditor will report to owner. Auditor say, owner, your staff is not doing well, your staff is not work doing well, they not maintain accounting book, they not maintain vouchers file. And in this situation, when auditor will claim, auditor will negative report about the employee who connected with the accounting work to owner, owner will scold, owner will angry on the employee, and they will notice to employee if you will not work well, if you are not doing your responsible work in a good manner, we will punish you, otherwise we will uh, uh, um, uh, resign you here from in our your job. uh, तो ऑनर उससे गुस्सा करेगा एम्प्लॉय पे। तो ऑडिट वर्क होता है या करवाते हैं टाइम टू टाइम कंपनी में, तो ऑडिटर एम्प्लॉय क्या करेगा, उसकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, whatever responsibility distributed by owner to employee, they fulfill in a good manner, a good way. Fourth, shareholders are assured that their capital. So shareholders are original owner of the company. They provide capital to the company for doing a business. It's a fact. All the shareholders are not participate in the business for a management, but it's a fact. All the shareholders are owner of the original owner of the company. It is also one of the fact. Only few selected person from the shareholders are manage the company, but all the shareholders are real owner of the company. In this situation, auditor is the representative of the shareholders. They check out whatever amount, whatever capital given by the shareholders to the company for a proper objective, and company really use that capital which are received from the shareholders for a objective. Those objective, the company use its capital in a this particular objective or not, and whatever profit earned by company, they gives dividend to the shareholders or not. Auditors also check in behalf of the shareholders. Auditors also check all the accounts and progress of the company in behalf of shareholders. The improvement in regarding compared to previous year, its improvement in a good or not. So these all the facts check out by auditor in behalf of shareholders. Fifth point, confidence in the partner's interest. Many times, some of the partners is not doing work in a partnership firm. They just give some capital in a firm, then after they not participate any responsibility work in a partnership firm. But then after they also assume, they also interested to profit and accounting work. And how can he judge whatever profit distributed by partnership firm and given to him, it's a right profit? Whatever account maintained by the partners, those who are participate in partnership firm actively, they maintain all the accounts a good manner. They how can the unactive partner judge the active partner not doing any fraud, they not doing any errors in the company? If auditor will gives audit report, so when the unactive partner check audit report and auditors gives all the facts present in audit report, and they gives a positive thing about the account and profit in audit report, then after confidence will be increased of a partner. Sixth one, help the management. Management also take help from the audit report. How? When auditor check all the facts and gives report, whatever profit is right or wrong, balance sheet gives economic position good or wrong. So these are the help to management. They can expansion business or not. They can take some loans or credit from the banks or financial institution for a company for expansion of a business. Seventh point, help of fixation of a purchase price of a business. So sometimes many of the company or many of the firms want to take over another company's business. But how can he judge a purchase price of that business? Also earlier lecture I told you two method to fixation of a purchase price. One is net asset method, second one consideration method. But how can we judge whatever price of assets and whatever amount given of liabilities it's true or false? If that selling company's account audited by auditor, in this situation we can judge whatever amount, whatever valuation decided in a balance sheet, it's evaluated by auditor, it's a real value, and we can believe on the report of auditor, and then after we can fix the purchase price of a business by way of net asset method, total asset minus total liabilities. So we can believe on the report of auditor and find out the purchase price of a business. Eighth point, for getting confidence of income tax officer. What is the actual work of income tax officer or income tax department to recover tax from the company? If we are not audited our account, and whatever accounting work it's maintaining by our employee and find out the profit, and we just calculate taxes on that find out profit which are find out which is the find out by our employee, and we just pay to income tax department. Income tax department say it's a right you gives tax in tax department, but your account are not audited. Means we believe but not believe on your method. So if you are really honorable, if you are actually gives our uh, actually pay tax to the tax department, please audited your account, then after we believe on your profit. Otherwise we assume, audit department say, we assume you some tax evasion. टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट क्या कहते हैं कि भाई आप ऑडिट करवाओ, उसके बाद जो ऑडिट करवाने के बाद जो प्रॉफिट निकल के आता है उस पर टैक्स पे करो. अदरवाइज हम क्या कहेंगे भाई आपने टैक्स एविजन किया है. टैक्स एविजन यानी टैक्स की चोरी करना है. सो टैक्स ऑफिसर, टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट का कॉन्फिडेंस कब हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं? तो कि जब हम ऑडिट टैक्स पे करने से पहले जो भी हमारे फाइनल अकाउंट है just audit by auditor, then after whatever profit happen we just pay tax on that audited profit. At that time we getting confidence of income tax officer. Getting credit facilities. Credit facilities means to take a loan from the bank, loan from the financial institution without audited report, with the financial statement, means profit or loss account and balance sheet without audited. When we go to bank and tell to manager, we want some crores amount as a loan from your bank, please give us. Bank say no problem at all, please give me your audited report. We say to bank manager, yes, we have a financial statement but not audited. Bank manager say, no sir, we are ready to give loan, but we want audited your financial report. So in this situation, auditing is also very important. I mean, it's a benefit if you audited your financial account. Any bank, all the banks are ready to give loan for your expansion, for your expansion your business. 10th point, settlement of insurance claim. Yes, many of the time you takes insurance, general insurance, fire insurance, profit insurance, theft insurance from insurance company, and you pay premium. And sometime it's a happening which are uncertain, means fire happening in your company and lost all the company in a fire, and you also you say no problem, we take insurance, and you go to insurance office and say to insurance officer, sir, this is our insurance bond, we take insurance from your company, please give me a claim amount of our insurance. Insurance company say no problem sir, but before giving claim amount of your insurance, please just give me a right valuation of your assets. We say, yes sir, we have a final balance sheet, we have a final balance sheet of our company, and we just give them our final account or balance sheet. Insurance company officer say, right sir, you have a balance sheet of your company and all the assets and liabilities amounts given in this balance sheet, but we want audited balance sheet, and in this situation, if we have a not audited balance sheet, insurance company also not assume which types of assets lost in a fire, because insurance company also calculate what is the loss happening in a fire. So how can he judge? By way of audited report of balance sheet, audited report of our company. So in this situation, for settlement point of view, auditing also important. Settlement of a dispute in respect of increase in wages. Yes, when company improve their profit, company expansion their business. So in this situation, not only capital is important to expansion and improve and increase the profit, but employee and wages and labors also very big role to perform to improve of the business, to expansion of business, to increase the profit. So in this situation, employee and wages, labors also ask to company, they bring the demand, they demand the company to increase their wages. They also demand to company gives a bonus at the end of the year, because they also participate, they also gives main role, they work in the company to improvement. So settlement of dispute in respect of increase in wages. For comparison of accounts, so when a company doing work well from many years, so a company want to compare what is the profit increase as compared to last year and this year. So when it's happening, when the company prepare last year's account, it's audited, and also present year's current year's accounts audited by auditor, and when they compare in this situation, company can find out the uh, progress of the company previous years and current years also. So these are the benefits of auditing.